We got a haul. We got a haul. Y'all, the good girls over at L'Oreal. Love you, L'Oreal. They love me. Hey, girl. Y'all, we got some stuff, okay? I'm excited. I have been really loving a nice bronzy look. You guys know. If you follow me, you guys know. I like my makeup to look, more on the, I'm looking in the mirror, on the neutral side, a little bronzy, a little golden, if you will. But L'Oreal, thank you. I'm a little late. I'm always late to stuff, right? I can't wait. I can't wait. This is the True Match Lumi G lotion. It's like glow lotion. So, y'all, I can't wait. I'm gonna put this underneath my makeup, put it like, my decollete. This would be good to put. You know what? Let's try it out right now. Let's just see. Ooh. 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 Okay. It's just very subtle. Very subtle. You probably see it right, in this area. Very subtle. We like that. Let me see, make sure it's not on my hand. I want to get on my dress. Doesn't have a smell, but yeah, I picked this one up and I have 905. I think it's 3 different shapes. I picked this one up because I'm on the brown side, so I can't be going too light. But I am a lipstick lover. I'm trying to get into the whole brown thing. I love a good nude lip, you guys know. But fall is coming, which I'm not ready for. I love summer. I love spring. I love to be warm, okay? But I picked up some goodies. You could tell I am not ready for summer to go nowhere. These are some of the L'Oreal Paris. This is some of their lipsticks. Y'all, I don't got my readers on. Sheesh. Hold on. All right. After I sat here and burnt my eyes out. This is 105, 108. Okay? No, 108. That's 105. Okay. So this is a nice nude. Look at this here. Ooh, we like this. We like it. We like it. A lot of product too. Okay. Let me give you a good. Ooh, right up my alley. You guys know this is so me right here. Ooh, yes. And I like this packaging. Really nice and sleek, giving luxury at the drugstore. We like this. This is, let me get it right, 105. Another nude, because I love a good nude. Okay. Oh, yeah. So this one is more of a nude nude. The other one's a pinky nude. Yes, 105 is where it's at. Yes, we love that. Okay. And then I picked up 2 blushes, because you guys know I'm in my blush era. So I'm trying to, venture out. So these here are a little bit more subtle. This one here is the, let me get it right. Come on, Kelly. Come on. Don't do it to the ladies. Where's that? Hold, please. I got it. Okay. So I can see this now. I am showing my age and I ain't mad about it. Okay. So this one here is Rich Coral. This is Dewy Rich Coral, which is this like, coral one. And this one here is Dewy Gold Pink. Okay. So we're going to look at both of them. Okay. So I'm going to put, ooh, y'all see that? It's good in coral. I don't know if the lighting is not giving it, but baby, you got to use your brush first. You got to use your brush first. I don't have on any blush today, so we might try some. And this one here is the pink one. I love popping open new makeup when you know you're the first one to do it. Oh, God. Okay. This one looks, I like this one. This is the golden pink. You can see like the gold. Can you see that? And it smells. I think it smells good. Let me see. You see that? We like that. All right, so that's what I got from L'Oreal. I was going to try it on. I said, we'll do it in a video. We'll, get ready and we'll plan some blush. So we'll do that in a video. So, yeah, we got a haul, y'all. Thank you, L'Oreal. I appreciate you.